Hey guys, Cody back here. Been a minute since I put out a video. Just wanted to update everybody, let y'all know I did get my CDL finally. Praise the Lord. It's of course with an automatic only, but I don't have any control over that. I guess beggars can't be choosers, but anyways, as soon as I got home from getting my CDL, that was on a Friday evening. As soon as I got home from getting my CDL, I felt like crap. I felt terrible. Well, come to find out, I got the lovely flu. I think it's all going around. Everybody's getting it, some of it. So I got a taste of that for a week. Finally feeling a little better from that. So I finished up the first personal line on the water line job, and so now I'm on the second personal side of the water line. I hadn't had a whole lot start on this. I've just probably got a couple 100-foot dug of this. We kind of got a mess up here at the house. Excuse me. Kind of got a bunch of stuff up here at the house going on. Had to get my helper to do a lot of hand digging up here. They got fiber and electric line running everywhere up here, and it's going to be a joy trying to get through all this. I don't know if I'll just dig straight through this entrance right here. Probably so, right here on the edge. I don't want to disturb that H-brace and all that, but get up here where the house and stuff is. He had him hand dig all this, because this is where the fiber is running, and fiber comes across right here. All this is fiber, electric from the house over to the pole. Probably going to go a little deeper than that. So the water line will be hooked up over here somewhere. We'll hook into here on this 1.5-inch line somehow, some way. Don't know exactly. I'll have to invest more in that. But all this, I'm going to try to trench all this. Hopefully there's nothing here, no electric lines or anything. So I'll start trenching with the excavator right here. Shouldn't hit anything from here on. Y'all have heard that before, haven't you? In these old places, you never know where they got crap run. Got stuff run all over the place. But anyways, got a little time this afternoon. I'm gonna do a little trenching up here and start back tomorrow morning. It's supposed to rain. This is Monday. I don't even know what date it is. Monday the 10th. It's Monday the 10th right now, today. 10th of February. So I'm gonna get this dug. I got a little time left. Get some of this dug and come back tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, like big chances of rain, so may not get a chance tomorrow to do some of this, so I figured I'd do some this evening while I could. But I'll set y'all up in the cab let y'all watch some of this. I gotta knock down some trees as I go along. Y'all can see these mesquite trees I've grubbed up along the way here. So I'll set y'all up in the cab, let y'all watch some of this, guys. Good to be back. Hope all's doing well. Y'all stay tuned. Second week of being in school, I had to go do that comprehensive driving test up in a CDL certified DMV. That was a joke, and they don't even think they were supposed to do that kind of. They did a full-blown over-the-road test. The guy said, well, they did a road test on you. They weren't supposed to do a road test. They were just supposed to do a comprehensive test. I said, well, I don't know what they're supposed to do. They don't know what they're supposed to do. They said they did, but because they sent the paperwork from them down to Austin. And when he got that paperwork, he said, this isn't the test we needed. They did a on-the-road test. I said, well, they said they knew what you needed. So, realistically, I wasn't even supposed to do that. But anyways, I passed that portion. It was all a God thing. Because nobody knew what they were supposed to do. The DMV didn't know nothing. After I had passed my comprehensive driving test with the CDL certified school and got my limb waiver, passed the driving test with the school, I went to my local DMV and filled out all their paperwork again. And she's like, let me call my boss because your limb waiver and your medical certificate says interstate, and your limb waiver says intrastate. And she said, I don't think they can both say the same different things. So she called her boss, and her boss said, yes, he has a limb waiver, and that overrides the medical certificate because the federal issued me that limb get a truck for a hot minute, just because I got so much. If I went and bought a truck today, it'd be sitting at home, not doing anything, because I mean, I could work between my jobs and stuff, but I don't have any, you know, hauling jobs right now. Plus, I need to get some stuff paid off before I get into another payment. I found a really nice truck. It's a Volvo dump truck, like a 14-yard dump truck. Alright guys, got this a little bit dug today. I need to, right up there where I come out, I gotta clean it out a little bit. I got some more trenching to do, but if it don't rain tonight, I'll trench that, do that tomorrow. See right here where I had come off my trench, I had knocked some dirt in the hole here. So I need to clean that up. And I'm up here at the house and trying to go a little easy on here. I need a straight edge. Straight edge, you can kind of see what you're doing a little better than these teeth. Teeth, you dig down and can't really see what you're doing. Taking it easy here. There ain't no line, but we all know kind of how that goes. Alright guys, I got this poly line put in the trench. I'm going to go ahead and cover this portion up here. That way if they want to close the gate or have to come through this gate with a load or something, they can get through here. If I need any excuse me, if I need any extra poly at either end, I can always fuse it on here, but I'll go ahead and cover this portion up. That way they can drive on it if they have to. Alright guys, I got that all covered up. That way they can close the gate if they want to or need to. I'm gonna finish cleaning some of this up. Get a little bit more covered up here. Alright, I got the water meter cleaned out. I should have got this with the excavator, and I may come back still. I just didn't want to disturb the soil as much as I could, but it'd be a lot easier doing it by the excavator than by hand. But I got that water meter box where I can pull it out and just set that line down in there. Then put the box on top of it, make it a little easier. So, weather's kind of getting nasty. It's not helping my flu symptoms any, so I'll probably call it a day for today. Start back tomorrow. See what the weather does. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. We'll see y'all tomorrow. God bless.